Hi, this is part 8 of SAP UI5 video series. In the last video, we have discussed about how to show Hello World message in alert box. In this video, we will show how to show message box in a message toast box. Message in a message toast. So, let's create one project. SAP UI5 application. Next, give project name as modules. Copy. Give name as modules. Next, give name as S1. Next, finish. Wait for some time. Okay, go in our project web app, go to overview, S1. Now here create one button control. Give name it as say hello. Give it event. On click. Save as. Now go to controller. Here on click function now comma SAP /m/ message toast. Message toast. Now here message toast dot show. Hello world. Save. Click on the project and run it. Index.html. Okay. Okay, click on the say hello. Here you can see hello world. So let's discuss what we have done in this project till now. Modules. In SAP UI5, resources are often referred to as modules. Now we replace the alert from the last exercise with a proper message toast from the sap.m. library. The required modules are enabled to be loaded asynchronously. This is the code what we have done in the controller. We extended We extended the array of required modules with the fully qualified path to sap.m.messageToast. Once both modules, controller and messageToast, are loaded, the callback function is called and we can make use of both objects by accessing the parameters passed onto the function. This asynchronous module definition AMD syntax allowed to clearly separate the module loading from the code execution and greatly improve the performance of the application. The browser can decide when and how the resources are loaded prior to code execution. sap.ui.define. The use of sap.ui.define for controllers and all other JavaScript modules to define a global namespace. With the namespace, the object can be addressed throughout the application. sap.ui.require. The use of sap.ui.require for asynchronously loading dependencies but without declaring a namespace. For example, code that just needs to be executed but does not need to be called from other code. Thanks. If you like my video, please subscribe it and share it. Thank you.